In front of me is Honor Magic 6 Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can manage apps permissions. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling down to access Privacy. Then click on Permission Manager at the top and tap on one of your device's features that you wish to manage. For example, camera. Now click on one of your apps, in my case Chrome, and apply the best option for you by clicking on it. Allow only while using the app, ask every time, or don't allow. I want to set up the first one, so when I tap and go back, I can see that Chrome just gained access to my device's camera if I'm using it. If you want to manage one of your apps instead, select any feature and look for your app. When you find it, click on it. Then, instead of selecting any of those options, click on See All Permissions at the bottom and manage all of those only for chosen app the same way. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!